everybody, good to see you again. I'm so happy and excited. I'm at this magnificent planetarium in Chennai. Look at this, it's so wonderful, isn't it? Look at this amazing picturesque night sky of space. Ever since I was a child, I was inquisitive in learning about planets and also astronomy. And I'm so eager that I'm one step closer in learning about planets and exploring space. I think you might have had a similar wish, right? But I was wondering who even discovered Earth and given it such a motherly name? Did you know that Earth is the only planet in our universe that has life in it? Yes, it's still the only planet we have discovered that supports life. Are you also fascinated to learn about the gleaming blue marble? So jump on in this journey with me in order to learn about the wonders of the world. We can also create a small animation in 𝗙𝗵𝗲 to help kids know about space and also our planet Earth. So without any delay, let's get into it and also gain wisdom from our space exploration. Let's begin by opening the 𝗙𝗵𝗲𝗲 software on our desktop. We are going to do a new project. So click on Create a New Project option. After that, click on Choose Folder for saving game files. See, our new file browsing window opens up. We can create a new folder in any location. Here, I am choosing the Pictures folder. In Pictures, right-click on the screen and create a new folder. Name the folder as Who Named the Earth. To make sure our folder has been created, double-click and open it. We will see an empty folder. Now click on Select Folder. We are back to our game interface. Here, click on Empty Game. A Project Manager tab opens up on the left. There, click on the Game setting. In the Game settings, choose Properties. In Properties, first we will change game name from Project to Who Named the Earth. Then, we need to change the game package name to Who Named the Earth. Next, let us set the game resolution width to 1920 and maintain height as 1080. Okay, finally click on Apply. Well, the first step to develop any project is to create a game scene, right? To do that, in Game Settings, we can press the Click to add a new scene option. And by selecting the options of a new scene, choose Rename. Name the scene as Animation. Done. Press Enter key. Then click on Animation Scene. See, we are taken to a new page with a white rectangular box. This is the game scene. The adjacent tab is the game events, which we will be using it for coding. Just zoom out using the mouse scroll down button to view the game scene box. You can zoom in and zoom out of the game scene by using the mouse scroll button. That is for zoom in, scroll up, and zoom out, scroll down. We can also move the rectangular box or game scene by holding the scroll button. Just try it out quickly. Did you know the plate tectonics keeps our Earth comfortable and they are found only on our planet? Plates are fragments of the Earth's outer crust that float on top of the Earth's molten interior. When two plates contact, one will slide below the other, allowing fresh crust to form where they separate. This process is crucial because it leads to tectonic resurfacing and geological activities like earthquakes, volcanic eruptions, mountain building, and the formation of oceanic trenches, as well as being essential to the carbon cycle. Now we can add a sparkling background for our animation. Before that, right-click on the game scene and select Scene Properties. Then click on the color palette and choose black and then click OK. Our background looks dark And when we add animations, it will be an exact replica of the night sky, right? Next, we can create background. For that, click on Add a new object in the Object tab on the right. Choose the Sprite option. Type background as the object name. Let's add a space background. Click on Add an Animation button on the bottom right. There appears the Animation tab. Choose the Add option. Then, we will be redirected to the Downloads folder. From the Downloads folder, by holding the Control key, select all the background animations and click Open. Give OK for the dialog box asking us permission to duplicate the image from downloads to the game files. Only then we can create a copy of the image from the downloads folder. Great! All our background images have been uploaded. Tick in the loop box to play animations repeatedly. In order to watch a preview, click on the preview button. Wow! Looks like we are traveling through real space. Oh gosh, I'm so excited. Let's set the FPS of animation to 20 to speed up the animation. Then give OK and click Apply. The background has appeared in the Object tab. Drag and drop it into a game scene. Just click on it to view background properties on the left side of the screen. In the Properties tab, set the X and Y position as 0 to align it. We can also adjust the size of the background. So set the width to 1920 and height to 1080. Tick in on the custom size too. Wow, our background is ready. Wait, I'll show you a preview. Click on Play button on top. See how beautiful the background we created has turned out? It's almost like we are on a dream journey to space. Close the preview. I'm so heaven sent. I can't wait to add the rest of the animations and to see the output.